Movie camera. Welcome to the ultimate camera doorbell guide. Door. Looking to upgrade your home security with a smart camera doorbell? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the latest and greatest options available, showcasing features like crystal clear video, motion detection, two-way audio, and easy app integration. Whether you're searching for a budget-friendly, at number 1 we have Blink Video Doorbell. Answer your door no matter where you are from your smartphone with 1080p HD day and infrared night video and two-way audio. Experience long-lasting battery life, custom alerts, privacy settings, and more. Get alerts when motion is detected or someone presses video doorbell. Connect to existing doorbell wiring or pair with a sync module, sold separately, to engage live view and two-way audio on demand. Designed for every home, go wire-free or connect to doorbell wiring to also sound your existing in-home chime. Without wiring, you can use your Blink mini camera, sold separately, as an indoor plug-in chime. Set up yourself in minutes with the two included AA lithium batteries, then connect to Wi-Fi in the app. At number 2 we have Ring Video Doorbell. 1080p HD wired video doorbell with two-way talk, advanced motion detection, standard 2.4 GHz connectivity and customizable privacy settings. Get real-time notifications sent straight to your phone. To hear audio notifications in your home, pair with a Ring chime, compatible Alexa device, or select the Video Doorbell Wired Plus Chime bundle. Advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your front door before they ring your doorbell. Night vision with sharp contrast ensures you'll never miss a detail, even in the dark. Save your recorded videos for up to 180 days to rewatch anytime, get alerts for people in package, and so much more with a Ring Home subscription, sold separately. At number 3 we have AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. Triple motion detection, no false alerts, advanced radar and PIR motion sensors and intelligent human detection can distinguish between near and far objects, track, and judge whether they are people or animals. Stored videos directly to your home base with built-in 8G memory and view them anytime anywhere, no monthly fee. Built-in rechargeable battery and 58% consumption reduced low-power wireless connection, ensure 180 days of flawless front door coverage from one charge. 166 degrees field of view, you could see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground, there are no blind spots. Adopted 7 pieces of an advanced ultra-clear optical glass lens ensures you get sharp, detailed images even in low light or bright conditions. At number 4 we have Lab Doorbell Camera Wireless. Capture every angle with our Pano Video Doorbell's full 360 degrees panoramic view in stunning 5MP resolution. Experience worry-free storage with no fees, thanks to our $0 lifetime cloud service and local storage options, 32 GB microSD card not included. Get precise alerts with AI-powered human detection, visitor recognition, and stay detection. Radar and PIR sensors reduce false alarms, and you can customize detection zones. The 5200 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 150 days on a single charge. Our video doorbell also supports AC power for continuous use. Our video doorbell features a base station for extended connection range, so you won't lose data if the doorbell is damaged or stolen. At number 5 we have Wyze Wireless Doorbell. Effortlessly mount Wyze Wireless Doorbell Pro for front porch protection in under 30 seconds. Screws and hardwiring equipment, though optional, are included, for even more ways to install. Hear your doorbell ring, chirp, or bark. Choose between 20 unique tunes and 8 sound levels to find the perfect chime for you, even scare off potential intruders with a dog bark. A 1440 by 1440 fuller than HD sensor means you'll see it all with 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras. Upgrade to Cam Plus to receive real-time alerts when people are detected and store full-length videos in the cloud for 14 days. No wiring required with 180 days of battery life. Get even smarter notifications with Cam Plus. At number 6 we have all-new Ring Battery Doorbell. See more, get 66% more vertical coverage with the latest version of Ring's best-selling video doorbell, 2nd Gen, now featuring head-to-toe video. Built-in battery doorbell includes a built-in battery, which charges with a convenient USB-C charging port. To recharge, simply detach your doorbell from the wall and connect to the included charging cable. Install in a snap, charge it up, click into place, and stay connected right from your phone. Connect to who's there, see and respond to activity with live view and two-way talk. Stay in the know, receive real-time alerts on your phone when motion is detected. Get smart alerts, no more with notifications that tell you if there's a person or package at your door. Subscription required, sold separately. At number 7 we have Arlo Video Doorbell. This wireless video doorbell camera offers 2K HDR video for vivid details and notifies you when motion is detected. Enhance home security with a doorbell camera that provides a broad 180-degree field of view, an integrated siren, and two-way audio. Our smart doorbell camera includes night vision and a motion sensor, allowing you to identify visitors even in the darkest hours. Receive instant audible notifications for a doorbell ring from your Arlo doorbell or motion alert from any of your Arlo surveillance cameras. Premium features like 30-day video cloud storage, people, package, and vehicle detection, 24/7 emergency response, and more, require a paid subscription after trial. At number 8 we have ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera. Full HD 1080p HDR with two-way talk to answer your door and talk to your guests from anywhere live through your smartphone, tablet, or ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Advanced radar verification, motion, person, and package detection, and activity zones, so you only get alerts for who or what is at your door. Everything you need is included in the box, and you can install using our intuitive mobile guide. Your ecobee thermostats and cameras will ring throughout the house, and you can even see and talk to visitors live through your Smart Thermostat Premium. Built to work in heat, cold, rain, or snow and designed without batteries to withstand extreme weather. Register your doorbell camera and automatically get 1 free month of ecobee Smart Security and unlock additional features such as 24/7 professional monitoring, 30-day video storage,